This video is about how to add music to Instagram story on iPhone. Okay, first to open Instagram app, then touch your story, then select the video you want to add, or you can just live record using this camera option. For now, I'm just selecting the video. Yeah, here if you tap this, original audio will be muted. And one thing you have to keep in mind, you can post story up to 15 seconds only. So select the 15 seconds on these tabs. You can select any one of them. Or you can also post here 4 different stories and using different musics if you wish. For now, I am going to just delete the other ones. I am choosing the second one. So I want to delete the remaining 3. Just tap this like this and click delete. Just tap that and once again and click delete. That's it. Now your chosen 15 seconds will be remain stays. Then swipe up or click this message like icon to add music. Yeah, here you can add music. If you don't see means just type music on the search box. Likewise also you can find that. Just tap that. And here you can select any of these musics, or you can also browse from these musics and also type the song name on the search box. Then tap that. This button used for pause and play. Yeah, now the music was added on your video and these red dots was the most beautiful part of the music. You can start from any of this part like this. You can select like this, or you can also customly choose from any of the song using the slider. Just move back and forth like that. And these are for lyrics. You can choose any of these. I usually prefer this one. Once you set this, then click done and then move this to any of this corner like that. Then click this arrow. Now tap share, and you can also share with the celebrities also. Then click done. Yeah, now your Instagram story was successfully added like that. That's it. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.